Roles of priests: making offering and sacrifices to God and ancestors, took care of religious shrines, they poured libation to appease the ancestors and the spirits, they advised the community on religious matters, they symbolized God's presence in the community, they acted as guardians or custodians of the community's taboos and customs, led people in public worship, they received gifts on behalf of God and the spirits, acted as political heads and judges. Roles of rainmakers: advised the community on drought and rain, they prayed for the rain to come, they acted as diviners, priests, and prophets, they predicted rain with accuracy, they sacrificed, offered, and prayed to God and the ancestors on behalf of their communities. They were well versed with the sky behavior, habit of animals and trees, moons and stars. They possessed mysterious powers. They could plead with God to stop excess rains. They could stop the rain from falling in the land of their enemies. Roles of diviners: they predicted future occurrences. They warned people against calamities. They gave advice on they gave or advised on various issues affecting the community. They interceded on behalf of the community in times of trouble. They acted as judges in society. They comforted the sick. They revealed the secrets of wrongdoers. They offered sacrifices or libations or performed cleansing rituals. They interpreted the message from the spiritual world. They identified the evil causing trouble in the society. They were consulted in case of barrenness or impotence. Reasons why cleansing rituals were performed: to purify wrongdoers of evil commitment, to purify wrongdoers of evil committed, to protect people against the repercussions of curses, to maintain good relationships, to normalize life after breaking taboos, to appease the spirits. It was part of rites of passage, to cleanse the body before burial, to rid the community of evil spirits, to persuade the spirits of the dead to rest peacefully. Roles of healers or herbalists or medicine men: they healed the sick. They took care of people's health and general welfare. They gave medicines to increase the fertility of the people and animals. They acted as counselors in all issues of life. They found causes of illnesses. They knew what to prescribe for various illnesses. They sometimes played priestly duties. They avert the effects of curses. They guide people on life issues. They train other herbalists or healers. Role of medicine men as counselors: they carefully listened to people's problems to understand them. They established a good relationship with the patient. They showed interest or compassion in patients' problems. They asked carefully wounded questions to elicit appropriate responses. They asked carefully worded questions to elicit appropriate responses. They analyzed information given to identify the cause of the problem. They offered remedies for the problems. They made appointments for future follow-ups. They gave protection against evil. Occasions when the services of medicine men were required: during sickness or epidemics, during initiation into manhood, before undertaking a raid, during catastrophes or natural calamities, when charms are required for protection, in case of impotence or barrenness in the community, when dispensing witchcraft or sorcery in the community.